Hi guys, it's Addie from Florida Parks After Dark. Today we are here at Margaritaville Resort Orlando because in the lobby they have a make your own cotton candy machine. And literally, I mean a machine, look at it. And it will make fresh cotton candy for you on the spot. So, let's jump in it. All right, Ken's. Let's tap the screen. So first we get to pick what shape of cotton candy you want. So you can tell, lots of different varieties. So what color would you like? You wanna go with that? Ooh, how about the heart? I like the heart. This one? Yeah, let's do that one. All right, continue. And so we get to pick our colors now. 3 colors for this one.
Let's go pink. Wait.
Oh. You can pick whatever colors you like. Pink, green, and white?
Does that look good?
Sure. Is that what you want? I was thinking maybe a purple in there.
Oh, that's better. All right.
And then for 55 cents, you can get sprinkles. And for 75 cents, you can get like little Hard Rock candies. But do you want any topping or no?
Nah, let's go straight cotton candy.
All right, so continue. And now we pay. All right, so now there it goes. It's going to whip us some cotton candy.
And there it goes. It's going round and around and around. Countlessly. Oh, wow, look at that.
Now it's making a shape.
Oh, I didn't know this thing shapes.
Yeah. This is just so neat.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna be a lot of cotton candy.
That's how you get on a sugar high, kids.
Snack is definitely gonna be fun tonight.
Oh boy. Think we're ready. Color looks like. Whoa. Oh wow. That's the.
Oh, it's cool. You see the purple in the middle and the pink on the outside.
And then the white. Oh boy.
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. Who's gonna get it? George.
Yes, our dad is here too. Thank you, George.
Oh boy.
Look at that.
That is a lot of cotton candy.
So, guys, as you can see, come to Margaritaville Resort Orlando to get some of the biggest batches of cotton candy you've ever seen.
Woo!
As always, this is Addie and Kenzie from Florida Parks After Dark. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more fun vacation tips like this. Click the like if you like this video. Hit that bell to be notified, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Have a cotton candy day.